Hey everyone, welcome back to the second video, and let's start breaking through the code here that we have and really looking at it. So the random and the time don't need to be there, but it really doesn't hurt. They're small packages and it's not really doing anything. So I think I might have copied the code here. This basic window thing that I showed you last time. That is the crux of everything that we're going to do. So we'll go from there. So let's start by looking at, you import it, and we use SG because we need to tell it that we're using SG. If you were using TK Inter, it would be TK, whatever you put in here. You don't have to use SG. You can use anything. You can just import it and type every place you see an SG, PySimpleGUI. That's up to you. This one, that would be a lot of work. That's a lot of, stuff to do. But you can do it. You can put whatever you want in when you import. And this just makes it shorter. SG, if you go look at the samples, it will all have SG. It's just what they're using as a convention. It makes your life very easy to ask questions and everybody's seeing it, and shorter to type, and then when you read code from somebody else, you don't have to make your brain try to figure out what's that equal to. Excuse me again. So let's go ahead and run our program and set that over here. Yeah, there we go. And let's walk through the very beginning. So I could change this, and we'll get to that down where I created the window. I created it with my new window. Let's just right off the bat, let's put it in Madlib. I'm going to put BAROSSA libs. You can hear that. That's my dog's peeing pains. And then the layout. Back to our thing. So that we just changed that. That simple, and this up here is going to change. Hey! Wow. Just try to do something, and 2 dogs, 3 dogs, gotta go nuts. Alright, back to the beginning. And what we're doing it right here in this line, and the first thing you're going to do in almost every PySimpleGUI, I'm sure somebody's going to find what you don't, is just put what does the window look like. So here is text. Welcome to the Barbarossa Lives Madlib program. Matches right here. There's the line. End of the line. It is a list, as you can see by the pink ones, contained within a list, which is what layout is. It's a list of lists. Okay? And then we go to the next line. And there's 5 for you to choose from. Which one would you like to do? I've changed the size of the space, which was 33 wide, and then three text column or rows down. Okay, that's where you get this extra one right here by using 3 as the size for it. The next one is another list of buttons, each one of them putting a number inside, and then we'll get to the keys later on. And why do I have this text in there? I don't know. But it can come out. I'm sure I was copying and pasting, and I just left things in that didn't hurt anything, didn't do anything. So I probably didn't even notice it until you do something like that. Oh, I know why it's there. Nope. That is what I'm using to put spacers between the buttons. That's what's doing this, is 3 spaces. This is why you want to make it as readable as possible. That probably should have been in a comment like the blank text is for creating space between buttons. I don't know what they're going on. They're just going nuts. And I'm just going to go through this one and then we'll come back again. So those are your buttons. And then here, the next one is the text. The multiply times 50 means give me 50 spaces. And then the next one is a text here that is going to show the Madlib, and this time it's 10 rows empty, 33 wide. And then there's your button. That is what creates this. So this layout just goes down here. Window, SG window. What this is, it's a window. This is what we're going to call it up on top. And layout that we just walked through there. And that's how you get started. I'm going to take care of these animals. I don't know why they're being crazy. And then we will come back and do another video in a little while. Thanks. Bye-bye.